Have you guys ever wanted to be violently attacked by an eldritch beast beyond human comprehension? Well, I sure didn't, but I did. I hated it, but I did. Yeah, so today I'll be playing Bird Horror. I'll put the link to download it in the description so you can get it. It's really fun. I want to give out to Minty for coming up with the idea of this video. Thanks a lot, Minty. Yeah, I'm probably still gonna get 0 views on this video, so it's kind of useless. Yeah, let's dig in.
To the corner, go to the corner, go to the corner.
I don't know what's there.
Just go to the corner, just go to the corner.
He broke it. He broke
That's
it.
funny noise. God, we need to get the map. We need to get the map.
Get the map. Get the map. Then we'll go to
Someone go first, someone go first.
This actually goes on for a while, and I just let the monster kill me. So, yeah.
The sound makes it so funny.
Everyone run.
You just go cream on the spiders.
Dude.
Yo, it's admin. Hi, Mr. Admin. All right, where you guys want to go? Area 51.
Follow the admin. The admin knows his way.
Follow the admin.
I'm actually really
Follow
about
the
this. I'm really sorry.
admin. No, the admin could take
We're
us
gonna
to
ignore
the.
those
Okay, I
little
know.
boys.
Yeah,
Wait, what's over here?
To the printer! We might get cooked here, guys.
There you go. You got hacked.
Oh, fuck! Oh, someone got the monster!
You can't.
I almost got cremated. Oh boy, this is pretty spooky dooky. If I say so myself, it's pretty spooky dooky, Mr. Admin.
Mr. Admin, no.
Guys, right there!
Everyone's
Did someone die?
Better to my name is all those things. Better to my name is all those things. I knew he was late to it. What is that? Go!
Run! Keep running! Holy cow! Run! Spider!
Yo,
Let's go!
Guys,
Yeah! What? What was that? I just joined!
Guys, no, you
Run!
No, touch your corner and see what happens. Sacrifice, gentlemen.
Admin!
Oh nah, bro!
Who wants to be in the right corner? Who wants to be in the right corner? Guys, everybody come close to the sign.
No! Get me up here! I'm not going anywhere near those signs. Run!
Go right here.
What? Go read the sign. I'm just saying to read the sign.
Uh-oh!
I think you got kicked. No. I I'll do it. I'll take one for the team. I'll go do track.
We believe in you, dude. We believe in you.
Okay,
You
guys.
got
Okay,
this.
guys. I love y'all. I love all y'all. Rest in peace, soldiers.
They hate every
I'm
single
scared.
one of people.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I got it. If you go, I go with you.
He's dead. He's dead.
Where is
You're fried. You're fried. You're fried. You're gonna kill us all. You're gonna kill us all.
Whatever.
Hey, man, get out of the corner. Get down here.
I'm gonna go eat her the big screen,
Behind you.
No, I'm done. I'm done. No. I love skibbity toilet.
We believe in you, goofy monkey.
Get up here. Get up here.
He's trying to climb back up. Yeah, he's trying to climb back up. We're gonna fall off the map.
Spider Forest.
My spiders are currently
Come on,
dead.
right next to the thing.
Oh no.
Hell no, man.